Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony SA-D20 2.1 Multimedia speaker system. There is very little information on this box actually, other than the fact that this is a 60 watt 2.1 speaker system. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is a wooden subwoofer and two satellite speakers. It connects to Bluetooth, has USB playback, and also comes with a wireless remote. That's more or less all the information on this box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. These are operating instructions for this particular speaker. You should read it at least once. This is the power adapter and power cable for this particular speaker. Show it to you quickly. There you go. The power adapter and the power cable for this particular speaker. And this is a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter connecting cable. These are a set of two AAA batteries. This is basically for this remote control. This is for operating this particular remote control. There you can see it now. This is the remote control for this particular speaker system. There are some stickers over here. Now let's remove this and show you the other stuff. So these are the components of the box. As you can see, I've already shown you the operating instructions, the 3.5mm cable, the power cables, AAA batteries, and the remote control. Now let's take a look at the actual speaker system. These are the two satellites that it comes with. These have this piano black finish. It looks very classy and elegant as well. Has a very nice design, very nice form factor in it. And these are the cables at the back. I'll show you later how to connect them. Let's take a look at the subwoofer. So this is the subwoofer. This is a pretty big subwoofer. As you can see, it's quite massive. It's a rectangular subwoofer and it's made out of wood. If you take a look at the back side, you will see this is actually made out of wood, and this is the audio driver that it comes with. It has two ports to attach these satellites to. Do we have anything more here? That's more or less it. On the front side, we have some stuff. Over here, we have the power on-off button along with the function button. This is the button that I'll show you. This is the button that you press to switch between all the modes. You have TV, USB, and Bluetooth mode right over here. On this side, you have the play pause button and the track changing button, along with a USB-A port. Notice the Sony logo over here as well. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Sony SA-D20 2.1 Multimedia speaker system. Thank you for watching.